¿Qué pasa, everybody? So today we're gonna be working on this SS Trailblazer right there. It's my buddy's car. So this is his LS2 that I just got done building. Right there, all aluminum. So he put a brand new crank in it. So he's got a brand new crank, rod bearings, main bearings, cam bearings, a brand new cam. He upgraded the cam, so when you get here, I'll have him show you the box. And we got the heads resurfaced, the block, what else? New head gaskets, and we also put a double roller timing chain on it. Here's the part number for that. Right there. And this double roller comes with the chain, the cam sprocket, the bottom one right there, and that's a two-piece. So it's that sprocket and then the oil driver thingy, and also it comes with spacers right there. That way the oil pump has enough clearance of the timing chain. So today we're going to finish it up and hopefully install it in the truck. So I'm going to turn this around and show you a couple more parts. Alright, so here it is turned around. And right now I'm going to install this pickup tube. As you can see, it doesn't really sit flat, kinda. And on these motors, I don't know for what reason, but they always have oiling problems. I don't know whether it's because it has no baffles or I don't know, but it's... So what he did to solve that problem is he got on Amazon and he bought this right here. How the hell does it go? Right there. See that? And what it does is it holds the pickup tube down. So these are the bolts that we're using because he ordered that off of Amazon and they sent him the wrong bolts. So those are the ones you need. That's for the washers. He got this at Ace. And that's for the bolts. Just in case you guys do this one too. And I wonder if I can do it right here. Why does it look weird to me? Oh, that's a stupid weld. Right, there's a little weld right there. Alright, well, I'm gonna try and figure this out and I'll get back to you guys real quick. Alright, so if you can see, there's a little weld right there for the pickup tube, and it's hitting right there. But this is already thin. So if I grind it down, there's a chance that it'll crack or break. So I'm gonna just put it on and leave it like that. Fuck it. See what happens. Alright, I'm gonna tighten it up and get back to it real quick. Alright, so that's how that looks. Right there. I'm not convinced. I don't know why. It's got a gap right there. The weld is in the way. Gap right there. So I'm scared if I tighten it more, it's gonna flex and crack or break. So I'm gonna just take it off, put some red Loctite in it, throw it back in there. But I don't know. If that weld wasn't there, it'd sit flush. So maybe grind down that weld and put another one on the other side or something. But Yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna take it off, put some Loctite, put it back on, and then go on to the front cover, then the oil pan, then the front cover. So let me get the oil pan ready. Alright, so we just got done putting the front cover on. New seal. Oil pan. New seal. Nice. Changing the filter real quick. Yo, lube. And we're gonna try to prime it right now. Attempt to prime it. So we're gonna do it right there on the side. Hose to a little thingy-majigger.
Hand tight.
See what happens.
Just use all your bearings to do it.
So once we start priming it, I'll record to see if there's any oil coming through the valleys and shit. So.
Okay. You want to charge? No, con que quede apretado.
Oh, you gonna do it right now?
What?
¿Ya le vas a dar?
Vamos así.
Alright, we'll go for it then.
Put my thingy. Not up. Alright.
Dip the hose in there?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going in. I'm in, guys.
Is it sucking?
Oh, I don't feel it sucking.
¿No te mira?
What's going on? No?
Yeah? No, no. Well, the way the drill goes this way, right?
I should. Like that.
Alright, hold on. We're going to turn this way, I think. I see a bubble.
Okay, yeah, they go the other way then. You sure that's how they do it?
Yeah.
I'll see it going.
A ver, sácalo y ponle el dedo.
Very little, but it's fucking.
What if you put that on top of the table?
Put it on top of the table already?
What? We're on top of the table. The whole thing?
Yeah.
Can you send her a galley or what?
Something.
I mean, pásame un embudo and I just hold it like a beer bong.
I don't see nothing happening. Alright, we're gonna get situated, see what's going on, and then we'll get back to you guys. Alright, so we figured it out. So, what was going on was, we had the oil on the floor. It's by the lever, it's like a little push button. By the shifter. There you go.
Okay.
He can't find the e-brake. So what we did is we just got this, right, and lifted it all the way up while we poured oil, and that helped that little pump shoot it into the motor. So like it was doing a chug pretty much. But we stopped because we don't have the back cover on. It was coming out of all those galleries right there. So we made a little bit of a mess. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put it on the cherry picker, put the back cover on, and do the oil thing again, and then start putting it in the truck. So, yeah. So we'll get back to you guys once we start doing that real quick. Alright, here we go. Ready? This is a contraption we were working with.
Both 15s.
Ya está saliendo por ese.
¿Por dónde?
Por ese de ahí.
El de ahí.
El segundo. El de aquí, güey. Ya vamos a ver.
¿Tienes que ir por todo? Go fast, bro.
It's all the way.
There you go.
Vamos a ver.
Let on one. Gotta put the extendo in. More oil. Up. Right. Damn, I'm gonna take that to the house. It's stuck and slowly. That's it, Marco. Wait.
Need more?
I don't know. Do you?
Well, how much you want to do it?
Okay, that's it. Oh.
Alright, go.
Shit, you gonna break?
Alright, go. Lift it up.
There's a little bit of oil coming out.
Como que para poquito, hombre. Acá ya está borboqueando.
You didn't catch that, did you?
That's tight.
Connect my little fuck that thing, no?
Yeah, you got something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be cool.
This is how leaking, huh?
You got something in there, right?
Yeah.
Well, there's just 4 right here.
Well, there it is, guys. That's how you prime an LS. Kinda, somewhat, trying to,
That's
whatever.
Primer, huh?
It's fuckery priming.
We should have a lot of
So,
salmon, a lot of cat litter.
so we'll get back when we start installing it.
Are you gonna edit out the?
Yeah.
Are you gonna edit?
No, I'm gonna leave it in there. Alright, so this is the old crank right here. Right. It wasn't too bad, it was just a little whatever, but he just wanted to go new. So when you put the cam double roller, you have to take off the keyway that's right here. In order to do that, you gotta use a 3-jaw puller to pull this off, right? And then you have to take the keyway that's right there, because the new crank nor the cam double roller come with this, so remember to do that. But yeah, still a good crank. Just need to turn it. New bearings should be good. But here we go. Fuckery. There she is. Alright, so a little bit of a mess. But there it is. These are fucking bitch to work on. They're so damn tight. It fucking sucks.
But they're fucking beautiful.
Huh?
But they're fucking sexy.
Sexy my ass.
Hey, so would you like working on a SRT Cherokee?
He said they're a bitch to work at, but he wanted to get F1 Camaro.
Ooh, that's different.
The fuck's the F1 Camaro?
The F body.
Yeah.
F-body.
Oh yeah, get one.
Alright, so to be continued. Mira. Eh? I need to make a video on this thing right here. Oh yeah. Not too bad. Uh-huh. It's alright. I'll make a video on this later. Oh, and that's my other bucket right there. So yeah. Fuck the inside. Oi. I'll make a video on it. Quick little walk around or something. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna make another video finishing the fucking... Shut up. I'll see what's up. I need to edit the video and then maybe I'll come back and record it, putting it together. I'm gonna record the first start, that's for sure. So. Fuck you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Come back.